Good Thursday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Loving the sunshine. We had some interesting thunderstorms just a few hours ago. It was a little bit before sunrise, but we had some vivid lightning. We had a brief shower here on the weather patio. Nothing measurable, unfortunately, which is kind of the way it seems to be going these days. But we do at least stand a chance to see some more thunderstorms later today. Unfortunately, some of those late day thunderstorms may become strong to severe. That's something we're going to be watching and talking about all day long. But right now, the blue sky, or just a couple minutes past 8 o'clock here on this Thursday morning. A warm one already. Weather patio already 73 degrees. We started out in the upper 60s, and so we're going to warm up quickly here into the 80s in a couple of hours and reaching 91 later today for Thursday, by far the warmest day of the week and the most humid day of the week as well. As this quick shot of humid weather is coming in ahead of a storm system and a cold front coming in from the west that will spark those thunderstorms later on. The day planner today, some sunshine throughout the day. After about 4 o'clock or so, strong storms develop for high temperatures around 91 with heat index levels in the mid-90s. Right now it's 71, dew point 59, feeling just a little more humid than the last couple of days. And as we move into the upper 60s later on with that dew point temperature, it's definitely going to feel more humid. There's more of a south breeze at times will reach maybe 15 to 20 miles per hour, stirring things up just a little bit. Right now, mostly low 70s this hour. Rochester 71 is 72 in Austin, 72 in Mason City. The thunderstorms from last night have worked their way out to the south and east. Big cluster storms approaching the Missouri border in southern Iowa now. We're watching that cold front that will impact us, though, and that will be another focus of more thunderstorms later today. And here's the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. We are enhanced risk of severe weather. That's level 3 out of 5. So that's getting up there on that severe weather risk. Large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes, everything from Interstate 90 southward. Rochester is also in the severe weather risk, but not the highest level locally. It's going to be level 2 out of 5 here, with still some hail and winds possible, maybe even a few downpours of rain. If we're lucky, we'll get some sizable doses of rain, but hopefully not too much at one time. That's the concern with this type of situation with some of those storms as they begin to train along and produce some strong weather as well. But here's Futurecast, some sunshine at times. Here come those thunderstorms. Pretty big explosion of storm activity there in Futurecast for especially the early evening time frame. Some of those most widespread strong storms will be around 6 or 7, 8 o'clock this evening. Another round of storms right around midnight is possible. Then the activity moves pretty quickly southward. The front itself moves through late in the overnight hours. Tomorrow, a slightly breezy day, a lot of sunshine, but less humidity in the air. It's still a warm start to the day and a warm end. We're going to start in the mid and upper 60s, reaching the mid and upper 80s for highs tomorrow. So still a very warm day, but not nearly as humid for Friday. And then Saturday looks actually fairly pleasant with low 80s and still crisp, dry air. The thunderstorm chances really ramp up in 3 and 5 o'clock and remain rather stormy heading into the midnight hour. High temperatures today, meanwhile, around 91. About half an inch of rain possible and some of those storms. Higher amounts in some of the heaviest rain-producing storms, though, as well. 91 in Rochester, 92 in Austin, 96 in Charles City, Mason City 97. Strong storms still possible late in the day and for the evening. Southwest winds around 15 miles per hour. Sunset at 8:55. Hot and humid today, 91 tonight, 64. Some evening thunderstorms until about midnight, maybe just a little beyond midnight, and then the clearing off late with northwest winds and drier air coming in. Tomorrow is still warm, but not as humid, 87 with northwest winds up to 20 miles per hour at times. The outlook for the weekend looks pretty good. Some sun on Saturday. Sunday, not perfect, unfortunately for Father's Day. Chance of scattered thunderstorms there. Some early in the day. It looks like we'll have maybe a window of dryness in the mid part of the day, and then about 3, 4, 5 o'clock, somewhere around there, we'll know more as we get closer, but some scattered storms redevelop, and there is a chance we may see some strong activity again in that time frame later on Sunday. So that bears watching for the weekend. And then on Monday, dry air comes in, really cool weather, 72 for a high with some sunshine, and it looks like we'll enjoy some 70s for highs. We'll luxuriate in some Canadian air for a while, Monday and Tuesday. And then low 80s for the middle of next week with scattered storms possible Thursday into Friday of next week. In the meantime, today, be weather aware. Watch out for that severe weather risk later in the day. In the meantime, don't forget the sunscreen. Stay hydrated. It's going to be a warm one and by far the hottest of the week. Have a great Thursday. We'll see you back here tomorrow for Friday.